Today, I've got a game changer for you. Imagine never having to manually take notes in a lecture ever again. We're talking about automatic lecture notes and how to take notes quick so you can free your mind for other stuff. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to let AI do all the heavy lifting and take lecture notes for you. And here's a small secret. You will even have a personal AI tutor as well. Keep watching to find out how. Hey, kings and queens of efficiency, welcome back to the channel. You all know the feeling, sitting in a lecture desperately scribbling notes down and praying you're capturing all the essential points. But what if you miss something crucial? What if the professor mumbles? And let's be honest, sometimes it's a race between your hand and the professor's mouth. Well, and you're losing. It's time for some new studying hacks and learn how to take notes quick with the help of AI. So here's where the magic happens. Notedly. This AI tool turns the tiresome tasks of taking lecture notes into a breeze. No more wondering how to take notes, because with Notedly you can simply upload a PDF, a YouTube lecture link, or even an audio or video recording of your lecture. Once uploaded, sit back and let the automatic lecture notes roll in less than 10 seconds, no matter how long the lecture is. To start, head over to Notedly's website. Make sure you click the link in the description to get to the official website. Once there, first you click Summarize Something and then New Summary. Second, you paste your YouTube lecture link, upload your PDF file, or upload your lecture recording, and then hit Summarize. Within seconds, Notedly will generate a clean set of automatic lecture notes that capture the essence of the lecture. One of the coolest features of Notedly is the ability to ask AI questions about the provided material. Not only does this make sure you didn't miss anything, but it also helps you understand the content on a deeper level. So you're not just getting automatic lecture notes, you're getting a personal AI tutor as well. And wait, there's more. You can even ask Notedly, did the lecturer mention homework? And it will tell you. Plus, Notedly gives you an amazing dashboard overview showing you how many hours you actually saved by using their service instead of taking notes manually. Talk about a real time saver. Now, you might be thinking, why should I trust an AI with something as important as taking notes in uni? Well, I've been using Notedly for a while now, and it's been one of the best studying hacks out there, believe me. Plus, you can obviously review and revise your notes, ensuring they meet your standards. And also, with everything coming from AI, think of it as an aid more than a replacement. Alright, no more stressing out how to take notes or wasting time taking notes in uni. With Notedly, you'll never miss a thing. The link to get to Notedly is in the description. You like this tool? Then I have something else for you, my friend, that you will love. I'm sending a 3-minute read every Friday with the most groundbreaking studying hacks I found this week. As you know, it's all about cutting corners without cutting grades, you know? And to receive the studying hack email I sent, just click the link in the description and drop your email address and I will add you to the email list. If you liked this video, hit subscribe. Next week I'll introduce you to an AI tool that will find 100 research papers for you in 60 seconds on autopilot. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one, so subscribe. Catch you next time. Cheers.